This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Acura TL. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 16,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.